Hey everybody, this is Jeff Amrine from Startup Junkie. We're here in the Pryor Center setting up for another fantastic startup crawl. You can see all the activity behind me. Couldn't be more excited. We're going to have something like 70 startups, 5 bands, 13 or 14 breweries, and a lot of activity around Fayetteville Square. It's going to be fantastic.
This is an amazing startup crawl. We had over 70 businesses represented, over 2,000 attendees, 14 different breweries, and it was so fun. You guys should come out next year.